Hi, Beth and Rick. I just wanted to shoot this while I was here. This is that bottom corner unit that I was telling you about that's on the first floor. That, as you can see here, it's got the corner wraparound balcony. But this is kind of what I wanted you to see. Check this out. It's on this corner. It's like right down here with this like beautiful landscaping. There's the beach right there. You can hear the waves crashing on the beach. Come around this way, and there's the pool right there. So it's kind of interesting. I mean, the only thing I would be a little bit concerned about is rising water, but it looks like it'd have to come up. I'm probably up a good 6 or 8 feet above sea level here. But it sure is pretty. Just wanted you to see it. Thanks. Bye.